Imagine turning simple ingredients like wax, petroleum jelly, and paraffin oil into a smooth moisturizing Vaseline you can make right from home for personal use or small-scale business. In today's video, I will show you step by step how I made this soft and glossy Vaseline that looks attractive, feels smooth on the skin, and can be packaged beautifully for sale. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Is today your first time of coming across my video? You are in the right place for profitable DIY recipe and small-scale business ideas. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. You guys are so amazing. I appreciate you all. Without wasting time, let's get into today's video. Paraffin wax helps thicken the Vaseline and gives it a stable structure so it won't become too watery. Petroleum jelly is the main base of the recipe and it helps give the product that soft, smooth jelly texture. Paraffin oil helps soften the mixture and improve the spreadability on the skin. Next is glycerin. It helps attract moisture to the skin and gives the product a moisturizing effect. Vitamin E oil improves skin feel and also help enhance the overall quality of the Vaseline. For the fragrance, I use pears. Before we start mixing, make sure all your tools and containers are clean and dry. Proper cleanliness helps improve product quality and presentation. I started by melting the wax using double boiling method. Never use direct heat, it can affect the texture of the final product. At this stage, the wax is fully melted. It is now time to add the next ingredient. This is me adding my petroleum jelly inside the already melted wax. At this stage, the wax and petroleum jelly are evenly combined. Now I'm adding the paraffin oil slowly. This stage helps create that smooth, soft consistency that makes the Vaseline easy to apply on the skin, and I turn off the heat. Next, I'm adding the vitamin E oil and glycerin. These ingredients help improve the moisturizing feel and overall finishing of the product. I didn't add the fragrance at this stage because I want to leave some part of the product unscented. I start to evenly combine the ingredients together. Now, I carefully pour the mixture into clean containers before it starts getting thicker. Good packaging presentation makes your product look more attractive. If you are getting value from this video, please kindly support me by liking this video, drop a nice comment, and subscribe to the channel for more educative videos on the way. Thank you. At this stage, I added the fragrance and continue scooping the product inside the packaging container. As the Vaseline cools down, it gradually thickens into a smooth jelly texture. And here is the final result: smooth, soft, and moisturizing. One thing I really like about this Vaseline is that it can be used in different ways around the home. It helps moisturize dry skin, soften rough area like elbow and heels, and can also help the skin during harsh weather conditions. It can also be useful for children's diaper rash care by helping create a protective barrier on the skin. Some people also use Vaseline on cracked lips, dry hands, and minor skin dryness to help lock in moisture. This makes it a very useful everyday skincare product and also a great small-scale business idea. You can start from home with proper packaging and branding. Considering the constant increase in the price of store-bought Vaseline these days, learning how to make yours at home can actually be a smart idea. You can make it for personal use, family use, and even package it nicely for small-scale sale and extra income. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more profitable DIY business ideas, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my next upload. Always be good to one another. Thank you for watching. Anticipate my next video. Bye.